Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to back up on WhatsApp. It's a very simple and easy process and I'm going to guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, make sure that you've installed the WhatsApp app. Now launch the WhatsApp. After you are in the WhatsApp, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Now in order to back up your WhatsApp, you need to go to the settings first. Here you can see the three dots icon at the top right corner. Tap on it. Now select settings from the menu. Now that you're in the settings page, tap on this chat section, scroll down and here you can see chat backup option, tap on it. Now in order to back up your chats, first of all you need to connect your Google account with it. So here you can see Google account option, tap on it. Now choose your preferred Google account where you want to keep your backup. After you select the Google account, here you can see include videos option. It will back up the chats along with the videos too, so enable this option. You can also choose when to perform backup. Here you can see the frequency option, tap on it. You can select the schedule of backup, whether it be daily, weekly or monthly, so you can choose accordingly. And after that, if you want to perform backup right now of all chats, here you can see backup option, tap on it. Your chats are now being backed up to your Google account. The backup is complete as we have selected the frequency to daily. Now your chats will be backed up in a daily basis. So that's it. That's how you can back up WhatsApp. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.